linear equation in two variables, and we have completed two questions also. Now we'll move to the next part, the next questions. Okay. Practice set 1.1. Now we'll move to question number 3. Question 2, sub question 3. 2x minus 3y equals to 9 and 2x plus y equals to 13. These are the two equations which are given to us. Now what you have to do is you have to check whether the coefficients of both the equations, okay, either x or y, are the same. You have to check. Now here what happens is x coefficient is what? 2. Yes, so they are what? Same. They are same. So there is no need to multiply the given equations with any of the other number. Understand? See, what I've told you, have to first check whether both the equations, okay, they have either the x coefficient or y coefficient same. So now in this case, you have got coefficient of x same for both the equations. Now we'll check their signs. We'll check their signs. So here it is plus, and here also it is plus. So that means both the coefficients are positive. So what you have to do is you have to subtract the two equations. What you have to do? You have to subtract the two equations. Now the subtraction sign, okay, is going to make all your positive numbers negative. So plus 2 will become minus 2, plus y will become minus 1, and plus 13 will become minus 13. Listen, the negative signs, okay, the positive signs will change to negative, and negative signs will change to positive. So now with help of this, okay, what happens is 2x and minus 2x, okay, gets eliminated. It's going to get eliminated. So after getting eliminated, then you have got with you minus 3y minus 1. Now it is changed. Okay, minus 3y and minus y. So what you will get? You will get that as minus 4y. And here it is 9 minus 13. Here you get 9. Check minus 13. This new sign. It is minus 13. So minus 4y equals to minus 4. Now you know when there are negative sign on both these sides, you can cancel it off. So directly you get 4y equals to 4. So with respect to that, value of y equals to 1. So you'll get value of y equals to 1. Now once you have got value of y, you have to substitute that in any of the two equations, in any of the two equations. Now see, place y in equation 1. We are going to substitute that in equation 1. So what is equation 1? 2x minus 3y equals to 9. This is your first equation, and this you have to substitute. So how you are going to substitute? Come on, tell me how you are going to substitute where there is y. Okay, replace that y with 1. You get 2x minus 3 into 1. So this y have been substituted by 1. Okay, I substituted y with 1. Now with respect to this, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 2x minus 3 into 1 equals to 9. So you will change position of minus 3 to the other side. Now you know when minus 3 it comes to the other side, it is going to become plus 3. It is going to become plus 3. So 9 plus 3, you're going to get that as 12. So 2x equals to 12. So therefore x equals to what? That 2 will come down with 12. So you get x equals 12 upon 2. That is equals to 6. You get that equals to 6. So therefore x equals to 12 upon 2. That is equals to 6. Understood? So therefore value of x and y is 6, 1. So therefore you get values of x comma y 6 comma 1. Is this clear to all the students? We'll move to the next question. Next question is 5m minus 3n equals to 19. This is your first equation. And your second equation is m minus 6n equals to minus 7. Now again, what you have to do is you will check whether the coefficients are same. Understood? Now here what happens is check 5, 1, 3, 6. Okay, here all the coefficients are different. So you have to make the coefficient same. Now in order to make the coefficient same, now what you have to do? You have to multiply the first equation with 2 here. So multiply first equation with 2. Why? Because 3 can be easily converted to 6. See, instead of multiplying, now 5 is a bigger number to be multiplied with m in respect to 2. Understand? So what we do is we multiply the first equation with 2. Is this clear to all the students what we have done? What happens is check, we have got 5m minus 3n equals to 19. Understood? And we have got m minus 6n equals to minus 7. Now you can multiply second equation with 5 to make coefficients of m same. But 5 would be greater number with respect to 2, which you have to multiply. Understand why? Because you know 3 and 6. Okay. Understood? 3 is multiple of 6. So you can convert 3 6. Is this clear? Now with respect to that, once you multiply first equation with 2, you get that as 10m minus 6n equals to 38. What do you get? 10m minus 6n equals to 38. You have to multiply each and every term with 2. Check. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 19, 38. So I've got 10m minus 6n equals to 38. Now your second equation will come as it is. The second equation will come as it is. That is m minus 6n equals to minus 7. Now what happens here is you will check the coefficients. The coefficients are same. The coefficients are same now, 6, 6. But what about their signs? Minus, minus. The signs are also same. So when you know when the coefficients are same, their signs are same, you subtract the two equations. What you do, you subtract the two equations. Understood? Now you are you're going to subtract the two equations. Now you know when you use the subtraction sign, okay, all your positive terms will become negative and negative terms will become positive. So what happens is this plus m will become minus, minus 6 will become plus, and minus 7 will become plus 7. Understood? Now you can do your calculations. Now you can start with your calculations. Now 6 and 6 will get eliminated. That is minus 6n and plus 6n will get eliminated. 10 minus 9, the new sign 10 minus 9. Sorry, 10 minus 1 will give you 9m. Okay, 10 minus m, that is 10 minus 1m. So that is 9m. And here it is 38 plus 7. Understand, check 38 plus 7, the new sign. So you get 9m equals to 45. So 9m equals to 45. Therefore, m equals to 45 upon 9. It's what 45 upon 9. So that is equals to 5. Now you have got value of m equals to 5. We'll place value of m equals to 5 in equation 2. You can substitute that in either of the equations. You can substitute that in equation 1 or in equation 2. So here we will substitute that in equation 2. So 5 minus 6n equals to minus 7. So 6n equals to 5 plus 7. Now what has happened here is, check, I've changed position of minus 6n to the other side to make it positive, and minus 7. When it comes to other side, it becomes positive. So you get that 6n equals to 5 plus 7. So 6n equals to 12. We've got value of 6n equals to 12. So you can get value of n very easily. N equals to 12 upon 6. So that is equals to 2. So thus m comma n equals to 5 comma 2. You've got both the values with you. You've got both the values with you. This m comma n equals to 5 upon 2. Is this clear to all the students? Hope there are no doubts. We'll move to the next question. The next set of equations. Yeah, the equations are 5x plus 2y equals to minus 3. First equation. X plus 5y equals to 4. Second equation. Check the coefficients. 5, 1, 2, 5. Now tell me which one is easy to make the coefficient zero. Which step is easy? This step is easy. Multiplying the second equation with 5. Because check, if you go to make coefficients of y same, what happens is you have to multiply both the equations. You have to multiply one with 5, okay, and second equation with 2. So that would go long for calculation. So what you can do, you can simply multiply the second equation with 5. Now once you multiply the second equation with 5, check what you're going to get. 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 5, 25y, and 5 into 20. You get that as 5x plus 25y equals to, write the first equation as it is. The first equation will come out as this. Now check. We have made the coefficients. Coefficients are equal same, and signs are also same. So plus and plus signs are also same. So now your coefficients are also same. The signs are same. So basically, what you're going to do, you're going to subtract. What you're going to do, you're going to subtract. So once you start subtracting, okay, once you put that minus sign, all the signs of the first term of the first equation are going to change. That means plus 5x is going to become minus 5x plus 2y. It will become minus 2y, and minus 3 will become plus 3. So now with help of this check, your x term will get eliminated. 5x, 5x will get eliminated. Left of 25 minus 2. So what it is 25 minus 2? Get that as 23y equals to 23. It is 20 plus 3. Signs have changed. So what is value of y now? Value of y here is 1. 23 upon 23, that is equals to 1. Now you can substitute this value of y in either of the equations. Either you can substitute that in equation 1 or you can substitute that in equation 2. So x plus 5 into 1 equals to 4. So x equals to 4 minus 5, that is equals to minus 1. Get that as minus 1. So thus x comma y equals to minus 1 comma 1. Hope everybody have understood this question. We move to the next question. Now here in this question, okay, one of the coefficient is given in fraction and the constant is also fraction. So what you do is you convert that coefficients into a whole number. So what you do some cross multiplication here. Check 1 upon 3x plus y upon 1 equals to 10 upon 3. Understood? So here what you can do is you can multiply the denominators to the numerators which are there on the opposite. Understood? Yeah. Check this 1 will be multiplied with x, 3 would be multiplied with y, and denominator is multiplied, that is 3 into 1. You cross multiply, this is called cross multiplication. So once you do that, what you're going to get? You're going to get as x plus 3y upon 3. Your equation would be rewritten as x plus 3y upon 3 equals to. The other side is going to remain unchanged, 10 upon 3. Now what happens here is, now you know when the equations are equal, they have the same denominator. You can cancel that denominator. You can cancel that denominator. So that means 3 on both the sides would be cancelled. So what is your equation? Your equation is left as x plus 3y equals to 10. This is your first equation. This is your first equation. Is this clear to all the students? Any difficulty till here? Now, in the same way, you are going to convert the second equation. The second equation has also got some coefficient in the fractional form. Check 2x plus 1 upon 4y. Again here, what happens? The term with x does not have any denominator, so by default it becomes 1. So 2x upon 1 plus 1 upon 4y. You will cross multiply. 4 would be multiplied with 2, 1 would be multiplied with y. So you get 8x plus y upon 4 equals to 11 upon 8x plus y upon 4 equals to 11 upon 4. So what you can do? You can cancel 4 on the opposite sides. Okay, you can cancel 4 which is there on the opposite side. So when you cancel 4, what you are going to get? You get the equation written as 8x plus y equals to 11. 8x plus y equals to 11. This forms the equation number 2. This forms the equation number 2. Now you'll write both the equations one below the other. You have written both the equations one below the other. The first equation is x plus 3y equals to 10. The second equation is 8x plus y equals to 11. Now, you'll check with the coefficients. Here it is by default 1. So 1 and they are not same. 3 and again 1. They are not same. So what you are going to do is you are going to make the coefficients same. You are going to make the coefficients same. Now, in order to make the coefficients same, you need to multiply. So check. Here, 8 you need to multiply with the first equation if you want to make x same. But that calculation with 8 will increase. Okay, in order to make it short, understand what you can do is you can make 1 to 3. You can make 1 to 3. Instead of making 1 to 8, you can make 1 to 3 because the number is also small. 3 is small, no? So that calculation will go easy. So now you'll multiply second equation with 3. So once you multiply second equation with 3, what you're going to get? You're going to get 24x plus 3y equals to 33. You're going to get 24x plus 3y equals to 33. Now once you get this, we'll write the first equation as it is. Now again check both the coefficients are same and their signs are also same. So what you do, you're going to subtract. So once you subtract, okay, it's 24 minus x plus 3 minus 3y and 33 minus 10. Now what happens here is, check, plus 3y and minus 3y is going to get cancelled. 24 minus x, what you're going to get? 23x. And 33 minus 10 is 23. So 23x equals to 23. So therefore x equals to 1. Now you're going to put that value of x in equation 1. So get that as 1 plus 3y equals to 10. So 3y equals to 10 minus 1. What is 10 minus 1? It is 9. So what you'll get? 3y equals to 9. So therefore y equals to 9 upon 3. That is equals to. So thus value of x and y equals to 1, 3. Is this clear to all the students? If the coefficients are in fraction, I remember if the coefficients are in fraction, okay, those fractions you have to convert to a whole number. You can do that easily. And then you can start solving, because calculation with fraction will go difficult. Understand? So you have to remove those fractions, or you have to convert those fractions. Is this understood to all the students? Now we'll move ahead. Yes, I'm going to solve your doubts after this. check. Question number 7. 99x plus 101y equals to 499. And 101x plus 99y equals to 501. Now here, what common things can you observe between the two? What common things can you observe between the two? Check, the coefficients are interchanged. 99x, 99y. So coefficient of x is coefficient of y. And your coefficient of y is coefficient of x. And the coefficients are interchanged. So when the coefficients are interchanged, there is another method of solving this. There is another method of solving this equations. Understand? You need not multiply them. Simply what you have to do is you have to add the two equations first. What you have to do, simply you have to add the two equations, no matter what the signs are. Understand? No matter what the signs are, you have to add the two equations. So 99 plus 101, 200. 101 plus 99, check, 200. So 200x plus 200y equals to 499 plus 501. It is 1000. So 200x plus 200y equals to 1000. Now, everywhere 200 is same. So you can divide throughout with 200 to reduce the equation. Understood? Sab jagah pe 200 is common. Understood? Everywhere. In each term 200 is common. So you can remove that 200 out. Okay, now in order to do that, what you have to do is you have to divide throughout by 200. So your equation is reduced to x plus y equals to 5. Your equation is reduced to x plus y equals to 5. Now this is very simple. Okay, check 99x plus 101y. In comparison to that, x plus y, the equation is simple. Now after adding the two equations, you have to subtract the two now. Okay, first you have to add the two equations and then you have to subtract. Now once you subtract, understand this subtraction sign is very dangerous. It is going to be signs of all the terms in the second equation. So what happens is plus 101 becomes minus 101. Plus 99 is going to become minus 99 and plus 501 is going to become minus 501. Understand? So all these signs have changed. All the signs have changed. So now with respect to that, the equation formed is minus 2x plus 2y equals to minus 2. What is the equation formed? Minus 2x plus 2y equals to minus 2. Now here 2 is common everywhere. So you can divide the complete equation by 2. So when you divide that with 2, you get the equation written as minus x plus y equals to minus 1. Minus x plus y equals to minus 1. Now we have got the two equations in the simplified form. Equation 3, equation 4. Understood? Now after adding and subtracting them, okay, we get equation 3, equation 4. Write both these equations one below the other. Let's check, this calculation will go easy now. The third equation is x plus y equals to 5 and minus x plus y equals to minus 1. Let's check. Coefficients are same and their signs are also different because one is plus, the other is minus. The signs are also different. So when coefficients are same, signs are different, you add. So you can directly eliminate the x term. and directly eliminate the x step. So what you are left out with? You are left out with 2y equals to 4. You are left out with 2y equals to 4. 5 minus 1. Now, with respect to this, what is value of y? The value of y equals to 4 upon 2. So what is 4 upon 2? That is equals to 2. This value of 2, you can substitute in any of the equations, say 1, 2, 3 or 4. We substitute that in equation 3, because 3 is the simplified form. Now, when you substitute y as 2 in equation 3, the equation is written as x plus 2 equals to 5. Now, in order to get value of x, you will shift plus 2 to the other side. So when plus 2 goes to the other side, it is going to become minus. So x equals to 5 minus 2. So what is 5 minus 2? That is equals to 3. So thus x comma y equals to 3 comma 2. Is this clear to all the students? Hope there are no difficulties. We'll solve one more question and then we'll come to the doubt solving session. Is this clear to all the students? I will move to the next question. (49x minus 57y equals to 172). And 57x minus 49y equals to 252. Again, here what has happened? The coefficients have been interchanged. Check. Coefficient of x is coefficient of y, coefficient of y is coefficient of x. The coefficients are interchanged. So first step is adding the two equations. So 49 plus 57, 106x minus 59 minus 49. Both the terms are negative, you add and you put the negative sign. So that is minus 106y, and 172 plus 252 will give you 424. So 106x minus 106y equals to 424. Now what you have to do is you have to divide throughout with 106. You have to divide throughout with 106. So once you divide throughout with 106, what you get? You get x minus y equals to, you get that as x minus y equals to. So this is your third equation. This is your third equation. Now check. Coefficients are interchanged. We've added the two equations. Now after this, what is the next step? You're going to subtract the two equations. 49 minus 57 equals to 172 minus 57x minus 49y equals to 250. Always remember, when you put the negative sign, understand the signs of the second equation are going to change. So check. Plus 57 will become minus 57 minus 49 will become plus, and this 252. Okay, here it's by mistake minus, it's plus. Okay, and 172 will become, sorry, 252 will become minus 252. The signs are going to change. Now, after this, so the equation is written as 49 minus 57. Check, greater number is minus, so that is minus 8x. Now here minus 57 plus 49. Understand, here there is plus sign here. It is plus sign over here. So minus 57 plus 49. So that is minus 8y. A greater number is 57. So we'll put the negative sign. So minus 8y. And here 172 minus 252. That is minus 8. So that means here 8 is same everywhere. You can divide throughout with 8. You can divide throughout with 8. So once you divide throughout with 8, what you are going to get? Your equation is written as x plus y equals to 10. Now, how did I write that? X plus y equals to 10. Check. Everywhere there is negative sign. So remove minus sign on both the sides common and you can cancel it out. So your equation is written as x plus y equals to 10. Now we have got equation 3. We have got equation 4. So write that one below the other. So it is x minus y equals to 4 and x plus y equals to 10. Now again check. Coefficients of y are same and that too with different signs. One is minus, one is plus. Check. Coefficients of y is same and the signs are different. So simply what you have to do is you have to add the two equations. You have to add the two equations. So when you add the two equations, what happens? Minus y and plus y is going to get cancelled. You're left out with 2x equals to 14. You're left out with 2x equals to 14. Now with respect to this, what is value of x? X is equals to 7. Now this value of x, you're going to put it in equation 4. You're going to put that in equation 4. So once you put that in equation 4, your y is 10 minus 7. What is value of y? It is 10 minus 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So thus value of x is 7 and y is 3. Is this clear to all the students? Just remove the screenshot of the assignment. There is a small assignment for you. Just remove the screenshot. You have to solve all these questions and show it to your respective teacher. Remove the screenshot of this. Now, those who have any doubts, you all can ask me. Those who have any doubts, you all can. You can raise your hands, students. You can raise your hands. Yes, Mahika, Pragati, Sakina Aslam, Palak Rajput. You all can unmute and ask.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, Vikrant.
सर जो आपने फोर्थ वाला सिखाया ना, फोर्थ सम 5m minus 3n is equals to 19 फर्स्ट
हाँ
वाला, तो
हाँ
सर आपने जब वो फर्स्ट जब हमको y का वैल्यू मिला, इक्वेशन थर्ड हमको मिला, तो हमने जब माइनस किया सब, तो आपने 45 आंसर निकाला. एक्चुअली आंसर मतलब मेरा 65 आ रहा है, 64 आ रहा है और आपने 38 और 7 प्लस किया, 19 को प्लस नहीं किया.
19 देखो, 19 को आपने बेटा 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है ना ऑलरेडी.
ओके सर.
देखो देखो आपने क्या किया है कि 19 जो है ना, आपने इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, बराबर है. तो आपको ये नया वाला इक्वेशन में 38 आया.
यस सर.
आप ओके. तो आप जब
Yes,
ये
sir.
पहले वाले इक्वेशन से 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो इसका जो रिलेशन है आगे वाले सम से नहीं आता है. आगे वाले जब आप सम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं ना आगे वाले स्टेप में, तो आप ये नया वाला इक्वेशन
Yes,
लेने
sir.
वाले हो. आप ये पुराना वाला इक्वेशन नहीं लेने वाले. तो उसकी वजह से आप ये
Okay.
38 और ये जो -7 है ये +7 होता है, तो 38 + 7 वो है 45। इज दिस क्लियर
ओके
बेटा?
सर, थैंक यू सर।
यस
यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
यस, थैंक यू बेटा। यस माहिका।
हेलो सर।
यस बेटा।
हेलो सर।
यस बेटा।
सर मुझे 7th वाला नहीं समझा।
ओके, 7th वाला क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन में बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंड इन क्वेश्चन, ये 99x मतलब जो x का जो कोएफिशिएंट है, ओके, दिस 99 is coefficient of y of the second equation. And same thing this 101y, okay, 101 which is coefficient of y in the first equation is coefficient of x in the second equation. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, the coefficients are coefficients क्या हो गया, इंटरचेंज हो गया। तो when the coefficients are interchange, basically पहले आपको दोनों को ऐड करना है, आपको वो दोनों इक्वेशंस को क्या करना है, ऐड करना है। So you are going to add the two equations. So 99 plus 101 is 200x and 101y plus 99y is 200y. So adding के बाद आपको 200x plus 200y equals to 1000. So 200 अभी सब जगह पे सेम आएगा, वो कॉमन आएगा, तो यू कैन डिवाइड थ्रू आउट विथ 200। तो आप ये 200 को डिवाइड करने के बाद आपको मिलेगा x plus y equals to 5। अंडरस्टूड? ये सिंप्लीफाई हो गया, आपका इक्वेशन क्या हो गया, सिंप्लीफाई हो गया यहाँ पे। उसके बाद में आप उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, यू आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द टू इक्वेशंस। आप ये दोनों इक्वेशंस को अभी क्या करने वाले हो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने वाले। तो सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद देखो +101 माइनस होता है, +99 माइनस होता है, +501 माइनस होता है। Okay, the signs are going to change of all the terms in the second equation. Now with respect to this 99 minus 101 will give you minus 2x and 10y minus 99 will give you plus 2y. So you get that as minus 2x plus 2y equals to minus 2. So what it is, minus x plus y equals to -1 because your 2 is same everywhere. आपको हर जगह पे 2 क्या आएगा, कॉमन आएगा। उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, यू कैन इजीली reduce the equation. अभी इक्वेशन reduce करने के बाद देखो आपको जो नया इक्वेशन बना है that is minus x plus y equals to -1. Understood? तो ये जो दो नए इक्वेशन आपके पास है x plus y equals to 5 और x plus y minus x plus y equals to -1, ये दोनों को एक दूसरे के नीचे लिख दो। तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, उनके कोएफिशिएंट भी सेम आते हैं और ऐसा नहीं है कि हर टाइम आपके जो साइंस है वो डिफरेंट है, तो यहाँ पे आपको साइंस भी डिफरेंट आएंगे। तो देखो x का यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट सेम और साइन भी डिफरेंट है, तो वो इजीली एलिमिनेट हो जाता है, वो इजीली एलिमिनेट हो जाता है। तो यू कैन इजीली एलिमिनेट x। अभी x एलिमिनेट हो गया, you are left out with y. So y plus y is what? 2y. So what you have got, 2y equals to 4. So 2y equals to 4. So what will be value of y? Y would be 2. So place y equals to 2 in equation. So what you will get? X plus 2 equals to 5. So thus x equals to 5 minus 2, that is equals to, so thus x comma y equals to 3 comma. Is this clear to all the students?
हेलो सर।
Yes. Is the doubt clear, beta?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 नहीं समझा।
Okay, question number 8, we'll do that also. Now question number 8 में भी सेम है, देखो कोएफिशिएंट्स क्या है, इंटरचेंज हो गया, कोएफिशिएंट्स इंटरचेंज हो गया यहाँ पे। तो पहले आप दोनों को ऐड करोगे, ऐड करने के बाद देखो 106x माइनस 106y इक्वल 424। और यहाँ पे क्या होता है आपका, ये जब आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो ना, आपका ये साइन जो है, आपका साइन जो है वो क्या होने वाला है, चेंज होने वाला है। आपका साइन जो है वो चेंज होने वाला है। अंडरस्टैंड? आपको यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा, ऐड करने के बाद 10x माइनस 106x माइनस 106y इक्वल्स टू 424। तो आप इजीली इसको 106 से डिवाइड कर सकते हो। और उसके बाद में देखो आपके पास आता है 49x माइनस 57y इक्वल्स टू 170। आप ये दोनों का भी सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, आप ये दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद आपका नया वाला साइन आएगा। देखो ये प्लस था तो ये माइनस हो गया, माइनस वाला प्लस हो गया, प्लस वाला माइनस हो गया। तो आपको आएगा 8x माइनस 8y इक्वल्स टू माइनस 80। तो 8 कॉमन है सब जगह, so you can easily divide that with 8। तो आप जब इसको 8 से डिवाइड करोगे, आप जब इसको 8 से डिवाइड करोगे, ओके, तो आपको आएगा x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 10। आपको नया वाला इक्वेशन आएगा x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 10। तो x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 4। थर्ड इक्वेशन x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 10। सेकेंड इक्वेशन कोएफिशिएंट y के सेम हो गया है, साइन डिफरेंट है तो इसको ऐड करना है, मतलब y एलिमिनेट होता है। तो 3 आया तो x इक्वल्स टू 7 आया। तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करो x इक्वल्स टू 7 इन फोर्थ इक्वेशन, आपको x का y का वैल्यू 3 आएगा। So thus x comma y equals to 7 comma. Is this clear to all the students? Any difficulty in understanding this? Okay.
Stop here.
Yes, ma'am. We'll stop the lecture here, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll stop the lecture.